As the holidays are starting, we're going to get into some of those delicious holiday snacks. Hi, I'm Susan. This time of year, there's something I always make throughout Christmas, and that's Chex Party Mix. And my recipe is based off of my mom's, but with my own additions and things that we like. My sons and I, we really love this Chex Mix, and we really go to town on it. So if you like recipes and food like this, give me a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you hadn't. Ring that bell so you'll be notified when my videos have been uploaded. Leave a comment. None of this cost anything, and it sure helps my channel grow, and I really appreciate it. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, now I've got my oven heated to 250 degrees, and I put 6 tablespoons of butter in a big cake pan. I'm just going to cut it up so it'll melt quicker. And I'm going to put this in the oven while I get the rest of the stuff ready. Alright, I have got corn Chex. You need a total of 9 cups of Chex Mix. Whatever you like. We're not big on the wheat, so I'm using corn and rice. I'm going to do 5 cups of corn. And I'm going to do 4 cups of rice. So it's 9 cups total. Others have gotten too many crumbs in the bottom. You want to get as many whole ones as you can get. Alright, and to that, I'm going to add 2 cups of party mix. And you can get whatever you like. This comes from Kroger, and we really like it. I've gotten them at Sam's Club. Just whatever you like. Want 2 cups of that. And 1 can of nuts. I've got the mixed nuts with less than 50% peanuts. I've used just all deluxe mixed nuts. Whatever you got, whatever you like. And we just want to give that a good stir. Now I'll get everything else together. I need 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire. Whoop. Making a mess. Didn't realize my lid was loose. We'll need seasoned salt, and I'm just going to use my 3/4 teaspoon because that's the way it's going to be for most of it. I'll need garlic powder and onion powder. And so I'll be back once the butter's melted. All right, Butter's melted. Now I'm gonna add 1.5 teaspoons of seasoned salt. This is a 3/4 teaspoon, so I'll do 2 of those. Just wanna sprinkle that in. Well, 3/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Half a teaspoon and 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire. And all I want to do is just mix that around really good. Try to break up that onion powder that's clumped up. I like buying the big containers because you don't have to buy it so often, and I use a lot of it, but I've noticed the last 2 containers, it just unreal how clumpy it gets. Now all I want to do is pour in my Chex and party mix and nuts, and I just want to give it all a good toss. Get everything coated with that butter and seasonings. Everything wants to jump out. And now we'll just get that as smooth as we can. And we will put it in the oven. And we'll cook this for an hour, but we'll stir it every 15 minutes. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, this is the first 15 minutes. And now I just want to turn everything over, give it a good stir. Sorry, hard to hold the camera and do this. Just want to give it a good stir. We'll be back. I'm going to do this 2 more times and then it'll be done. It's ready, and now my son's going to pour it up on this cookie sheet that's lined with paper towels. Now all we need to do is let this cool, and I'll be back. Okay, everything's been cooled. Now I'm going to pour in whatever candy you like. We like the peanut butter and the peanut M&Ms. So that's what we're going to do. You can put in as much candy as you want. And then just give it a good mix. And for the whatever season, like you could get the fall M&Ms or whatever, but my husband got these and said they didn't have any. But really, these colors are pretty fall-like anyway. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you hadn't. Ring that bell and leave me a comment. Until next time, bye y'all.